Having the same teacher your older sibling had can either be the best thing ever or the worst thing ever. Because there was 2 times where I was in this situation at school, but they played out very differently. The first time this happened, my brother must have been the best student in that class, because on the very first day, the teacher is taking attendance, but then she says my name out loud, and she goes, "Wait, your last name is Vitelli?" And I say yes. Then she says, "Are you Ryan's younger brother?" So I say I am, and she was like, "That is awesome." So I felt like a Nepo baby in that class because she treated me way better than everyone else. But the second time this happened, when the teacher saw my last name, she went, "Vitelli? Is Ryan your older brother?" Then I go, "Yeah," and I asked if she knew him, but then she said, "How could I forget him?" What could my brother possibly have done in that class to get that reaction? She looked at me like my brother was the reason for her divorce, so I knew I was cooked for that class. That teacher disliked me so much, I thought about changing my last name just so that would never happen again.